Welcome to LabTech Reports Training. There are many built-in reports within LabTech that can provide very useful information on things such as client status, machines that are offline, machines that need to be patched, as well as summary reports such as our management report. In this lesson, we will look at how to run reports as well as schedule and email reports. Here in the Control Center, there are a number of different ways to run a report. One of the most common would be to run a management report on a client. To do that, here in the navigation tree, left-click to expand clients. Right-click on a client, go to View Report. Here you can see very many sub-levels of reports that we have that come built into LabTech. And you can choose Client Report, Management. This report gives you useful information about machines at this client, service tickets and turnaround time, what kind of operating systems, and network health. This is the management report for this client. You can see that it includes information such as a breakdown of agents, showing how many servers, workstations, and devices are present, computer hotfix summary, disk space used, service tickets and turnaround time, as well as a summary of operating systems and the health of systems at this client. Once the report has been run, we have useful options such as printing the report or exporting it. Another way to run a report in LabTech is to go to Tools, Reporting, and Report Manager. Report Manager is going to have a similar tree of available reports that were shown when we right-clicked on the client in the navigation tree. So let's expand one of the categories by left-clicking, and we will click on one of the reports to run it. Once we click on that report, we can specify which client we want to run it against. And if I want, I can drive down to a specific location and even a specific computer. On the Advanced tab, we can filter the report for certain fields matching certain conditions. If we want, for the purposes of this exercise, we will leave this report in its default configuration. Here at the bottom of the screen we have an email report button that will bring up a standard email looking window where we can send the report to a desired recipient. And we have a schedule button. We'll left click to look at some of the schedule options now. We can customize when we want it to run. We can set it to run on a recurring basis. Once again, we can specify the client, and we can specify which contact we want this to get sent to. And here we have the ability to customize the subject and body of the email message. And I'll click on Create to save this. After we have scheduled the report, we can close out of the Report Manager window and go to one of our data views to find that scheduled report. We will left-click on the Data Views button here in the lower toolbar. We'll go to Reports and Scheduled Reports. And here we can see that report that we just scheduled. This concludes LabTech Reports Training.